It's Friday, February 8th, and we're supposed to get a massive snowstorm. And right now it is 11:30, and we got a little bit of snow. This is going to change soon. It's supposed to be really bad. Supposedly some areas 3 feet are going to be coming up soon. Hopefully not. Well, the snow is still going, and it's 1:35 right now, and it's slowly starting to accumulate, and hoping that we don't get over 24 inches of snow that they say we're going to get. It's February 8th, and it's 3:20, and the snow is slowly starting to accumulate. And we're supposed to be getting a ton of snow later. Again, I'm hoping that it's not going to be as bad as they say. But if it is, that picnic table is going to pile up. Well, deck table. And right now, it's February 8th. And it is about 6:20. And we're starting to get a little more snow. And of course it's starting to become nighttime. But anyway, the snow is starting to build up. I'm going to try to get out there and do some shoveling, try to clear some of it up. It's February 8th, and we're getting a lot of snow now. And right now it's about 7:45 p.m. and snow is really starting to accumulate. So now I'm going to try to go back out there and try to do some shoveling and see if I can get the snowblower to kick over. It's February 8th, and right now it's 9 o'clock, and the snow is really accumulating now. I was just out there shoveling, but I had to stop because I was getting soaking wet and freezing. But it's getting pretty bad out there. That's pretty much what it looks like. And the snowblower almost kicked over. I had it going in the summer and made sure it was ready for the winter, and I tried starting it yesterday and today, and I haven't got started yet, but I'm hoping tomorrow. It's February 8th, and right now it is a little past 11:30, and the snow's definitely accumulating. That table has well over a foot of snow on it now out there, and it probably sounds really bad. I was out there earlier and it was incredibly bad. Oh, can't even open the slider now. Oh, forget about that. Anyway, it's coming down really bad now. Not looking forward to doing more shoveling, but probably going to have to if I can't get the snowblower out of the shed. Probably have to dig it out. It's February 9th. And it's about 3:45 in the morning, and now there's got to be probably about 2 feet of snow. So as you can see, the chairs are under the snow almost, but I guess it's going to be snowing for a good part of Saturday also. So not looking forward to shoveling or using the snowblower, but it's gonna have to be done. Already shoveled almost a foot of snow out front, but all this stuff's gonna be on top of it. It's February 9th, and it's 11:20 in the morning, and we are buried in snow. I guess the driveway has this massive wall at the end of it, which is going to probably take all day to get rid of, even with the snowblower. So, I know what I'll be doing this weekend. Sledding.